Hey, this is Nevermore of thenevarmoore.com coming to you live, okay? Coming to you live. Awesome. With Bookkeeping 101, okay? Bookkeeping 101. Let's chat. Let's see if some people are going to come on. Let's share this out, guys. All right? Like, share it out. Let me know where you're coming in from. And if you're on the replay, please put it in the comments, replay. Because I like to go back and like everyone's comment who takes the time out to come on my live. All right. Hey, Ebony of Inspired 816. How are you, lovely? That is one of my proteges, guys. Okay. You follow her on Instagram and go shopping at her boutique now. Okay. Awesome. So we're going to get started, guys. Bookkeeping 101. All right. If you have a business, whether it be a brick and mortar or either online, if you have a business of some sort, you need to have bookkeeping in your life. There are no ways around it. Okay. Doesn't mean necessarily you have to outsource it. There are several systems that allow you to do bookkeeping. We have several bookkeeping for QuickBooks. Okay, that's one of my favorites. Xero, all right, PayPal, GoDaddy. They have several bookkeeping features or things like that that will help you track your expenses and your income. All right. So what is bookkeeping, guys? What is it? It is when you track the activity and keep records of financial affairs. That's when money's coming in and going out. That's what it does. We track it, we watch it, we code it, we organize the money and put it in categories and sum it up so that you can see how much you're spending in expenses, how much you're receiving in income, okay? And then what is the net profit? What is the bottom line? What are you walking away from? Okay? So, monitoring your budget. How do you do that? Systems. Like I said, QuickBooks, that you can go to the App Store and literally type in budget and see all the items that come up for a budget, okay? All the items that come up for a budget to help you grow in your business, that help you take your business to the next level, okay? What are your liabilities? What are liabilities? Liabilities are bills, expenses, things like that. If you have employees, payroll, taxes, but if you're small home business owner like myself, okay, the home office, okay, the cell phone bill, the internet, paper, when you print out things like those are expenses for us, okay? Liabilities, same thing. Boom. How much income did you get? You take your income, subtract your expenses, and that's your net profit. That's how much money you're really making. That's how much money you're going to report, things like that. Okay? And like I said, how do we track that? We use it doing different systems. We link our bank accounts or your PayPal account, your merchant account, to your system of your choice, accounting software, to be able to monitor your income or your expenses. And you can set budgets so that it will alert you when it knows it is going over. If you only want to spend $100 a day on gas and you know that you are, a courier, you could put an alert on the budget. And it will allow you to see that, okay, maybe on that Wednesday I spent a little bit more than I wanted to. Or maybe I spent too much on out to eat, sandwiches, you know what I mean? While you're out working, you get to monitor all that type of things, and you see the forecast trends on how you spend money and things like that. And it'll help you with managing your expenses when it comes tax time. It'll help you with managing your expenses when it comes to budgeting your money. It helps you know if you want to start looking at getting lending help. Lenders or investors want to see how much money you are making. Okay, they want to know how much money you're making and how you're making it. All right, and they want to know that you have the ability to track the inventory, the money, things like that. Awesome. And so somebody like Ebony, who has an online boutique and she's rocking it out, drop shipping, she needs to count how much money she's making, right? And how is she going to do that? She will have the QuickBooks linked to her PayPal account, right? Once it's linked to your PayPal account, and you purchase supplies, i.e. your clothes to resell, you will have it coded. So when you spend money on clothing, you know that's your supplies or your inventory, and that's what you would code it as. And then when you receive money, you receive it as a business income, and it'll offset. So then it can see what you made on each item. Okay. Hey, Tracy, how are you, lovely? And that is a great way to see how you are spending. Okay. If you know if you're spending $200 on 6 items as a boutique owner, how much money are you going to make from spending that $200 packaging, buying that package wholesale? So I would wonder, if I'm spending $200, I better be making 100% profit. Okay, but it doesn't work like that sometimes. Sometimes you have to put out a little bit more to get what you want. All right. Thanks for the love. Thanks for the love, Tracy. Thank you so much. And so I started out in the boutique industry. That was my thing. But it wasn't until I became a consultant that I saw how important tracking my inventory was. Like, how much money am I even spending on this stupid shirt? And then how much are the fees PayPal is charging me for each transaction? And how can I know that now? I have QuickBooks in place, and every time I have a PayPal fee, I code it to transaction fees, right? And then whenever I have income, I code it to business income. And whenever I buy a shirt for a client, I code it to supplies. All right. Yes, oil and gas here. Yes, 25 years. Congratulations. Okay. That is a big goal to work for yourself. 25. That is beautiful. Beautiful. Okay. And so that's how it works. And then I can go to my QuickBooks and see in a total, it adds it up for me. I don't have to go and get a calculator and a piece of paper or having an Excel sheet where the data can get convoluted and I can mess up the formula. The system does it for me. So I literally click on the month of August. How much did I spend in PayPal fees? And I can see how much it is, because why? I have the transactions coded. So whenever a fee goes out, whether I receive money or not, when I receive the money, that's income. But when the fee hits, it goes to the fee category. Now I can look at all the fees I spent in August. Okay. And I can add it up. And then at the end of the year, I could do a statement for the entire month. So when my tax specialist, Miss Lysandra, asks me, how much did you spend in PayPal fees? I can say, okay, I spent $200, or I spent $1,000, or I spent $500, whatever the total is. Instead of backtracking and you're looking at each transaction, you're trying to subtract it and add it up over here, and then you left a penny off, and now you're just lying. You don't know how much you spent in PayPal fees, and you don't want to do that. You want to have your data as accurate as possible so you can be as honest as possible with your person that's doing your taxes, so that they can get you the best write-offs for your home-based business, things like that. Okay, that's why bookkeeping is so important. It's so important to know how much money you're making and how much you're spending and what you're spending it on. You ever get paid? People that's still in a 9-to-5, you ever get paid on Friday and then Saturday you're like, what did I spend all my damn money on? Okay. And then you go check the bank statement. You're like, oh, I did buy all those sandwiches. Okay. It's similar to that. The bank statement is only going to tell you so much. Now you need to categorize and add up how much money did you really spend going out to eat. And are you going out to eat every day? Or the same in your business? Are you spending money in the wrong places? Do you keep buying coaches and then you're not going to go do the work the coaches told you to do? Stop that. Okay, stop buying systems that you're not going to use. Stop subscribing to systems that you're not going to use. Stop setting up auto bill pay so that stuff is coming out your account that you're not using. All right, all those things are important. You need to know where your money is going at all times. You need to know where your money is coming from at all times, because you need to track it, because certain income goes for certain things. Okay, so I hope you found value out of this. I hope you like this. So for me, I need you to like, share, comment your thoughts. And if you want to work with me or get on the call so I can assess you to see how can you upgrade your business and things like that, drop a $sign down below and then inbox me your phone number so we can talk. Okay, so I hope you found value out of this. I hope you like this. All right, share this out. Like I just said, throw me some love, and I will see you next time, because this is Nevermore of thenevarmoore.com. Have a great day.